Assalamu alaikum students. I believe that you are not wasting your time and you are getting very well at this critical moment. And we have to bear in mind that we have a pretest very soon. Today's lecture is on electricity from chapter 12. The class number is 2. Today's topics are power of electricity, determination of usage of electricity, and electric billing. Let's know about the electric power. We know the amount of electric current, that means flow of electrons, is utilized by an electric device per second to convert these into any other energy such as light energy, heat energy, mechanical energy, and so on, is called electric power. The unit of this power is 1 watt. You know the different conversion of electricity, like the practical example like fans, lights, television, refrigerator. They are none other than the flow of electricity. And we can measure the power of electricity as watt. According to the rule, the 1 watt equals 1 volt and 1 ampere. So what is watt? If the potential difference of an electric device is 1 volt and to this device 1 ampere electric current is traveled, then the power would be 1 watt. So what is kilowatt? This is a very popular term to measure the electric power as kilowatt. 1000 watt equals 1 kilowatt, and 1000 kilowatt means 1 megawatt. In commercial use or in a mega supply of electricity, megawatt is used. So 1 megawatt may be termed as 10 to the power 6 watt or 10 to the power 3 kilowatt. Let's know about what is kilowatt hour. The amount of electricity or electrical energy or electric power which runs through an electric device of 1 hour or an hour or 3600 seconds. This is called the watt hour. That means, simply speaking, that the amount of electric power of 1 watt of electric device for an hour or 3600 seconds is known as watt hour. 1 hour means 1 watt hour equals 1 watt into 1 hour. We may divide or break down this 1 hour into 3600 seconds and we get 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 watt seconds, or in short, joule. So 1 kilowatt hour is equivalent to 3.6 megajoule, or as 1 megajoule we know that is equivalent to 10 to the power 6 watt. You have to practice at home several times, then the whole things would be very easily clarified. Next portion is BOT, that is the usage of electricity as measured by a unit called BOT. The full form of BOT is Board of Trade. The electric bills are paid on the basis of this unit or this unit used. How to determine the use of electric power? You have electric billing system at your home, and you must have a special kind of meter to read the total use of electricity as unit. Monthly, these electric bills are paid on the total reading of this unit with the help of this machine called ammeter. However, we can measure the total electric usage and calculate the cost of units. However, the electric use in any device or any house or an electric circuit is equal to power P, and time T. The time must be an hour and the power can be denoted as watt. So we got watt into hour. If we want to make it kilowatt from watt, then we have to divide 1000 and we got kilowatt hour. What is a unit in commercial use? Unit means kilowatt hour. Well, let's focus on the problems we get in the exam hall, or we may have to solve the mathematical terms like this. What amount of electricity would be used to run a bulb of 65 watt for 8 hours a day? Yes, here we mention only one device, that only one bulb. We know that the electric power equals P into T divided by 1000 units, or 65. We may have to put the value of this P, 65 watt, that means power. How many hours it run for? 8 hours, right? And we got finally 15.6 units. Suppose the market value of each unit of electricity is 7 taka. The monthly expenditure or monthly bill would come out to be 15.6 into 7 taka into month. If we want to mention the monthly calculation, we have to multiply by 30. Note that the above electric bill is of only a bulb which runs for 8 hours a day. Here we generally assume monthly reading as 30 days. If any specific month is mentioned in the stem in the exam hall, you must write the specific day counts. In the real exam, there might be different types of devices with a variety of power. Sometimes you might have to compare the use of electric power in different circuits too. Let's focus on the next, it seems like a bit complicated problem, number 2, which generally comes on your exam hall as a high skill CQD type standard questions. The question might come like the multiple use of electric device in a single circuit which runs for different hours a day, right? Let's focus on the topic. Determine the electric bill in the month of January of someone's house where 5 bulbs of 100 watt each ran for 7 hours, 2 fans of 150 watt ran for 5 hours, and 2 TVs ran for 10 hours a day. That means all these devices mentioned here ran for different hours a day. Here cost of unit is 8 taka. Let's see what happens. And here I have tried to put the sequential systems to answer the mathematical term very easily. You may follow this easily to answer 4 standard questions. According to the stem, the particular electric circuit reveals different electric devices of particular power and timing. At this stage, let's determine daily usage of electricity separately first. According to the stem, the particular electric circuit reveals different electric devices of particular power and timing, right? I have repeated here. Let's look at this, the first attempt. Firstly, in case of 5 bulbs of 100 watt each, we need to determine the whole consumption of electricity hereby by the following the formula P into T. We got 100 watt bulbs. How many bulbs? 5 bulbs. How many hours they ran? 7 hours. So we got 3500 watt hours per day. you see that I have mentioned only watt hours a day, not kilowatts a month. We have to put the all values together. Next we'll have an example for this. Secondly, for running two fans of 150 watt each, the amount of electricity used P into T, we got 1500 watt hour a day. And thirdly or finally, two TVs ran for 10 hours a day and we got 2400 watt hours a day. So see here, this and these three values we got as watt hour a day. Now let's sum up the daily electric use of all mentioned devices, and we got 7400 watt hours a day. As we divided 1000, we got kilowatt hours a day, right? We may make different segments and separate segments for this too, and we got 7.5 units a day on an average. Let's focus on this. I repeat, this 3500 from here, 1500 from there, and 2400 from there, right? And we got 7.5 units per day on an average. However, according to the same as the month mentioned as January, we need to multiply the value by 31 because 31 days make January month. Therefore, the total units to be used in January is 7.4 into 31. We got 229 means 229.4 units. As the market value of unit is 10 taka, and we need to multiply 8 with this value. Very easy, right? And we got 1835 taka on an average. We don't need to count this 0.2 because this is very small amount of money, and this value connects. To sum up, the estimated electric bill of someone's house in the month of January would be 1832 approximately, and that's how we can sum up or we can end up the formal answering for higher skill standard. Okay students, we may follow this to get higher marks.